Finding the courage to change. Right here, right now. It took a long time for me to notice how much time I wasted. I spent a great deal of time trying to time travel. Sometimes I would project myself into the future and worry myself sick. Or I would jump into the past, replaying my memories. I'd spend hours of frustration in front of the mirror, finishing that argument that I was never going to win. Or I'd regret my past mistakes. When I first heard the idea of being right here, right now, I found it confusing. Where else would one be? But my beginning experience of meditation was eye opening. Most of my time was spent anywhere but here. There is no other moment, it's always now, and now, and now. The past doesn't exist, and the future doesn't either, and yet we use both the past and the future. I use my memories of the past to learn. Because I can remember, I can learn from my mistakes. I can grow. I can try new things. I can make new decisions and think new thoughts. I can use my dreams for the future to create. What's right here, right now is wonderful, but it is old news. It is the manifestation of many past moments. I'm using my creativity to turn thoughts into things. Life is fun when I'm right here and right now.